Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, in this video, I have a fish. Actually, it's a real fish. You can see the blood dropping. Okay, I'm going to show you in this video how to cut and clean a fish when you go to the jungle for survival, or if you catch a fish from the sea or from a river. This is actually a sea fish, but if you go and catch a fish from a river, it's the same. The method of cutting and cleaning is the same. Okay, so all you need is sticks, wooden sticks. I'll tell you later why. And your jungle knife. I tell in my video, whenever you go to the jungle for survival, you need this. This is very important, even to open up a can. Okay, and for self-defense, and maybe for digging hole and for cutting a fish. Okay, so this fish, I'm going to teach you how to clean it and how to barbecue it. Alright, so first you cut away the unwanted parts, the parts that you don't want. Okay, let me show. You can take a closer look. Okay, you won't be eating the tail. Okay, so cut off the tail first. Okay, you won't need the tail. Okay, you won't need the tail. Now you start from the head part. Of course, you won't be eating the eyes unless you are making soup or curry. But in the jungle, no one is going to make soup or curry. You just going to heat it. So you cut off the head. I don't need the head now. Okay, so I cut off the head. Okay, now do you see all these things inside? You need to clean up. You need to clean up all these things. So how you clean? You can put your finger in and dig them out. You can dig them out like this, or you can cut. You can cut. You can cut and make a hole here, so it will be easier for you to clean. Okay, same thing. Put your hand inside. Be careful of the fish bones. Be careful of the fish bones. If you are afraid of using your bare hands, you can wear a glove if you want to, but do it slowly, okay? Because of the fish bones. The head, keep it. Don't throw it away. I'll tell you why. Okay, so you clean already. So now it's clean. I already remove all the intestines, the organs, but keep it. I'll tell you why. Okay, now once you have done it this way already, okay, see. Okay, now this is the fins. If you don't want the fins, you can tear it off. You can tear off the fins by using your finger. This part also, the fins. Okay, you can just use your finger and tear it off. Done. Okay, now another important thing you need to do is you need to cut here. 2 times you need to cut. Okay. Why? Because when you cut open like this, if you want to put spices, the spices can go in. Or if you're not putting any spices, if you are barbecuing, it'll be easier for the fire to go in. Okay, the fire will go in here and the fire will go in here. The fish will get heated fast and will get cooked fast. Same on the other side also. Now, if you want to cut it into 2, you can cut it into 2. But I show you this way. Okay, you need to cut. You need to tear the body. Okay. Now, what do you do after that? You can use your knife. You can make a bigger hole here. Okay. Okay. Open this up. Okay, when you open this up, why? Remember I showed you 2 sticks. You poke it inside. One here and one here. Okay, now you need to hold it this way. Now please get a longer stick. A longer stick and a thicker stick will be better. Okay, I have only this small stick, so I show you. If you can get a thicker and longer, it'll be better. Why? Okay, you put your campfire here. You need to bring the fish near. Now don't get too close to the fire. You will burn your hand. Use a longer one. Or you can even use your knife also. You can use your jungle knife also, like this. You can put it like this and you can bring it near the fire. Make sure the fire, you hold the fish this way, the place where you cut open, so the fire will go in. You can hold it there. If you got spice, you can put spice. No spice, it's okay. You can just leave it there until it gets cooked. When you tear, the meat must be able to come out. Okay, like in jungle survival, Okay, there are no spices or what. Okay, so make sure you got a bowl of water. If you want to wash it, you can wash it. But if you prefer to eat it like this, heat and eat it like this, it's okay. Make sure the fish is cooked, heated, and the meat you'll be able to tear out and eat like this. Okay, so like for me, I'm used to the taste. In survival, remember, food is more important, not the taste. Okay, if you go to restaurant, they put spice, they cook nicely for you. In the jungle, you cannot do it that way because you don't have the spice, you don't have the facilities. So this is the correct way to heat the food, heat your fish, and once heated, ready to eat. Okay, so now I have a small fish. In future, if I have a bigger fish, I'll show you more detail how to cut the big fish part by part and how to barbecue the fish. All right, till we meet in the next video, I'll come up with more videos. And if you like, please subscribe my channel, and we'll meet again in my next video. Until then,